Can you do email marketing for me? This is the most common question I get from potential client, and even with like friends and peers in the industry. Yes, I can, but it depends. Email marketers like dentists, you know who they are, you go to them on a regular basis. However, there's different kind of dentists. There's like your general dentist, you go to visit to check if everything's okay. You have cosmetic dentists, you have somebody who install implants, a surgeon dentist. So as you can see, there's many variation of them, and maybe there's a bunch of, like, I personally don't know. Same thing in email marketing industry. There's different kind of email marketers. So we specializing on e-commerce, online retailers who own their store. I'm not talking about eBay, Etsy, Amazon. I'm talking about when they own their own website, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce. They own their store on their own platform, and we help them with email marketing. Can I help other business? Theoretically, I can. However, it's not my specialty. The same as a dentist. Can other, like cosmetic dentists, install you implant? Theoretically, yes, because they probably in the school they cover those topics, and maybe they had did one or two in their lifetime. However, they are not that to-go guy to do it for you. Like, I would personally will not go to that person who, like, to cosmetic dentist to install me implant, because implant is like more complicated and more specialized field in dentistry. So same thing with email marketing. Like, if you have B2B or SaaS or some kind of business not selling physical product online, I'm not the right guy for you. So I just want to make it clear, because I get it often and people little sometimes confused, like, why you cannot help me, because I'm not the right guy for your job. But if you sell physical products online, you have your own store, like, yes, I'm the perfect guy for you, and I will do the best service in the world for you, because I know this is my industry, this is my specialty. Like, I wake up thinking, brainstorming how to do it better, how to fix things, and when I go to sleep, I'm thinking about the same things. Yeah, so this is my niche specialization, and this is what do I do.